Hello again everyone, what's up? And welcome back to 17 on the Food Lab. For today's recipe, I want to show you guys how to make a plum, Italian meringue, honeycomb, matcha and pistachio dessert. The secret to a recipe like this is a good Italian meringue, and I'll cover all the do's and don'ts throughout the recipe. Before we begin, don't forget to click on the like button, the share button, the subscribe button, any button that pops up. And with all that said, let's get straight into the recipe. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you want to see more recipes like this in the future, click on the like, subscribe, share button, all that other good stuff. With all that said, take care, and as always, peace.